In this video, we are going to demonstrate Zoho Cliq. Zoho Cliq is a collaboration tool for your team that streamlines communication. Key features include instant messaging and chat channels, audio and video calls, integration with projects and CRM, share files, documents and images, bots and automation for notifications, action items and tasks, chat search and archiving, available on mobile and desktop devices. Let's start from the Cliq app. You can access this from the list of applications. If you cannot see Cliq, speak to your system administrator. In this video, we will keep the key features of Cliq channels and chats, as you will use these in your business every day. Let's start by setting up a channel for team members to have live chats. Go to Channels and click on the plus icon. First, choose the type of channel. If you want to invite external members, make sure you select External. This is useful for inviting third parties, like subcontractors. In this example, we are only going to invite team members, so we can choose organization and the visibility. Give your channel a name. You can upload an image if required. When you click on Add Participants, your team members will appear. In this demo account, Derek is the only other team member. Click Create Channel. We now have a channel available to send messages to members. Over to the right, on the three dots, you can schedule a meeting, set reminder, view media files, and more. You can also instantly start or schedule a meeting. Click on this icon to search for keyword-specific messages. When typing a message, use the @ symbol to notify the other party of the message. This will also display the participants' names, so you can specify who is being mentioned in your message. You can also attach files, either from your device or your work drive account, which includes images from your daily logs and trackers. Then click Share. To send a direct message, go to Chats, then click on the plus icon. Click on Send a direct message, and find the user you want to message. Type in your message, then hit Enter. Let's now switch to Derek Meyer's CRM, as Derek to see this message. In CRM, the Cliq channel shortcuts are displayed at the bottom and light up when a new message comes in. You can also see this in Zoho Projects. Derek can now respond to Peter and track all the communication history. Plus, using Cliq, there are other features to support communication, like Cliq calls, video calls, and screen share sessions. Under the main Cliq application, view all unread notifications at the top. This is very helpful when there are lots of channels to follow, as you can see any conversation where you have been tagged using the @ symbol. Essentially, Zoho Cliq is meant to reduce email overload, centralize team communication, and connect with other business tools in one platform. You can star important messages and sort them into categories such as Important, To Do, Note, Manager, and Follow Up. This makes it easy to revisit them later without scrolling through miles of chat history. At the top of your screen, hit Check-in, and you'll appear under At Work section. You'll see the status label, along with quick options for different availability modes. If you want to be more specific, click the Custom Status option to type your own message, like in a client meeting or working on urgent tasks. This gives your team extra context without them having to message you. When you're done for the day, check out. There are more features to explore on both the mobile app and desktop version. To learn more about Cliq, you can access more resources by clicking on your profile image and click on Resources.